Morning, children. Today we have start the new lesson, that is production and employment. So we are going to discuss about the production and employment. Look, children, our lesson production and employment. Nowadays, people are engaged in different activities. Purpose of the to earn money because of we have to run our families, to run our life, to lead our life as a better. So you should do some work, then you should get the money. So that's why we are depend upon the different kinds of works are there. Already here given different kinds of sectors are there. Sectors of economy. If you earn money, then you can do such kind of work. Then also here given different kinds of sectors are there, like agriculture and industries, services. Agriculture, industries, services, these are three kinds of sectors are there. Mainly it is three. So many people that depend upon the these kind of sectors are there. Beginning of the independence of our country, people depend upon the sector of agriculture because of beginning of the independence. Then also we have need food, so that's why you should produce some of the food grains through our agriculture. So our government, they're given first priority for the agriculture. So and it is a industries. Next one, services are there. So already here given which kind of work belongs to the which sector. Agriculture, farming, fishing, forestry, mining, etc. This kind of works is belongs to the agriculture sector. Those who people, they are working in the farming, like fishing or forestry and mining, this such kind of works as these belongs to the agriculture sector. Next one, industries. Many people, they're making some of the things are like the tools. They're making things to do. Yes, we need things to do our works as easily. So that type of things, that type of works, it belongs to the industries. When manufacturing process and goods are produced, then also people are using different kinds of tools are there. So many works are there, they're making by the people. These kind of things, works belongs to the industries. Next category, services. So many people, they're giving services for the people. Those who people need services. So this in these conditions, some of the people, they're giving services for the those who people need is services from them. So they're giving services. That kind of services we call as a, it belongs to the service sector. So many services are there, like the example, teacher and driver and doctor, a lawyer and call center employee. These are people belongs to the service sector. Look, children, in our lesson they're given one table, like some occupations and classifications. They're given an occupation, you should write the uh, which classification belongs to the this. For example, Tyler, he belongs to the industries. Basket weaver, industries. Flower cultivator, agriculture. Milk vendor, agriculture. Fisherman, agriculture. Priest, service. Courier, service. Next, workers in match factory, industries. Money lenders, service. Gardener, agriculture. Potter, industries. Beekeeper, agriculture. Astronaut, service. Call center employee. So you can fill up the this part. Look children, here given one table. The following table shows the percentage of workers employed in different sectors. In India in 1972 to 73 and in 2009 to 10, after 37 years. They're given children. These are years 72 to 73 sector like agriculture, it is in the 74% people that depend upon the agriculture sector, and industries 11%, and service sector 15%. So it is according to the 1972 to 73. This is a 2009 to 10 agriculture sector decrease from the 74 to 53, nearly 21% decrease. Industries, okay, double, 11% increase. Service sector 10% increase. So industries and service sector increase in the situations. Agriculture sector decrease and the situations are there because of we are living in the developing age. So many people they are doing work in the industries and service sector. A few people that depend upon the agriculture sector. That's why here decrease in the situations 74 to 53 between the 1972 to 2009 or 10. Look children, page number 29, they're given some pictures are there, belongs to the different sectors are there. You should observe and write their names, name of the sector, which this picture belongs to the which sector, like the 1, 2, 3 and 4. Some of the people doing work here also, some of the people doing work, it is in the mines. He is doing some of the work, it is in the call center. Some persons doing work in the factory. So you should choose which kind of sectors belongs to the this type of works. They are given 1, 2, 3, 4. You should fill up with your way of thinking. Already I said about the information of these sectors. Agriculture and related activities such as fishing, forestry, mining, where nature has a dominant role in the production process and manufacturing process, and other industries where goods are produced by the people using tools or machines. And third one, those activities production and other service for the people. It is not to produce not directly. Don't directly produce a good, but provide services that are required, production and other services for the people. Here also they're making one of the things not directly, through the services are there. Already I told you, different kinds of sectors are there, works are there belongs to the service sector. Doctor giving treatment for the those who people get the diseases are there, and patients. So that is a one kind of service sector. Some of the people they're doing giving protection for our country, like the army, they're giving service sector, teaching and lawyer. So many things are there. These works are belongs to the service sector. So you can read and write their classifications, and here given some of the works and occupation. Here also given some of the occupations. You should read and their classifications.